Your Stratum environment has views that monitor the state of your inventory and track performance trends with various inventory scorecarding metrics. This video introduces you to a view with that type of detail. We'll look at a few types of inventory data and some features for exploring it by way of this example report, also known as a view in Stratum. There's a view like this one in your Stratum environment. Type in the inventory trends name to search for it. Double-click the view named Inventory Trends Analysis Demo in search results to run it. Now you can see your company's unique data in comparison to the demo view as you follow along and watch the rest of this video. The columns across this view, known as measures, help answer basic questions like how much inventory was on hand compared to actual sales made in recent months, and what are carrying costs of that stock. Notice that data is organized by product brand. Your company's view will show the brands specific to your business. Also notice that this demo view has measures covering a few different periods such as the recent 3 months and year-to-date months. That's to show you the variety of trended analysis coverage offered in Stratum. There are other views that focus exclusively on data for the current period, such as what's on hand in the current week or current month, allowing you to keep tabs on what's happening in near real time. The first trending metric in the view is turns in the past 3 months. That tracks how quickly or slowly inventory is moving. It's one data point among others routinely used during replenishment decision-making. The next 3 columns relay inventory to sales ratio data, helping you see if the ratio has increased or decreased in the past 6 months. A higher ratio or one increasing over time can be a sign that inventory isn't moving. If you're not sure what a measure represents or its purpose, click its information icon to look at its description in the Stratum glossary. Here's a description for the inventory to sales ratio trend. Check out your company's glossary to learn about data in your environment. The remaining sets of columns convey year-to-date inventory performance details for January through the current month of current year. My demo view's current month is September and its current year is 2024. Your view will reflect the current month and year for your set of data. This set of columns helps you monitor sales in comparison to on-hand inventory value and inventory carrying costs for the year-to-date. Looking down the rows gives you an idea of how sales and costs vary by brand. Filters can be applied on the product brand, as I'm doing now, to focus the view on brands of most interest to you. The view refreshes to only show data for the selected brands. Finally, we arrive at the last set of columns, dedicated to gross margin and profit analysis. Here's the gross margin return on investment for the year-to-date. Gross margin KPIs show how much profit is generated from investments in inventory and help you judge how effectively inventory is managed. We've been looking at demo data by brands, but notice this view has options to see other levels like warehouse and product category. Dragging one of them to the first level refreshes the view to show inventory data from that perspective. Your own views will have a variety of other levels to drill to or reorder to match your analysis needs. There's many features to help you explore and customize the data in your views. One other thing to note, this demo view has a sampling of different types of inventory data and KPIs, so we can highlight the range of business analytics in Stratum. Other views in your environment will be more focused in their content, generally dedicated to a specific type or area of inventory analysis. Here's a few examples. One dedicated fully to turns by warehouse and brand, one dedicated to inventory to sales ratios, and one about gross margin and rate of return. Supporting content like related measures and drill-through links to other views are designed to support in-depth analysis and decision-making. This concludes the introduction to an inventory view in Stratum, which layers KPI metrics about performance and activity levels over foundational data, such as what's on hand. Filtering levels, then drag and drop features were demoed to show options for exploring data in different ways than its original presentation. Explore more demo views and Silvon videos to learn about other types of data and features in Stratum. Additional learning resources like FAQ and how-to articles are in the knowledge base of Silvon's CustomerNet site, a self-service portal for users.